Well, welcome everyone to this little lake here in the back, over by another little dirty creek. And today with us we have the Gold Light Super Hard 6.3 meter gotcha rod. It's 21 foot, and we're gonna see if we can get something on it today. This is a pond that I know has been stocked with rainbow trout, so I'll show you guys a few different setups and how I normally go about trying to catch stocked rainbow trout in a lake of this size and water quality. So stick around, see how this goes. Well, we'll make our way around here a little bit and see where we end up. I got this bike with me today. That's how I got down here and get around. Makes it easy on you. I got a little tube on the back, so you just slip your rod in the tube. You can ride anywhere you want to. This will take a fly rod, spinning rod. It's just a piece of notched out PVC pipe wired to a seat post. Necessity, mother of invention. So I started to come to this side of the lake because the wind was blowing that way and it has shifted. So this is how it goes. We'll be on the windy side of the lake, and I chose this area because there's a lot of trees around me and it seems to be relatively nice right off the shore. This rod is 21 foot, so we'll make our way around with it though and make it over to there and probably a couple other spots today. So I have one of my little hand-made up leaders here. This one is made up specifically for this rod. I haven't used it yet, but I have it tied up. It's the first time using this rod. It's brand new to me. The first tenkara rod I ever bought happened to be a gotcha, and I used it for quite a while until I broke it. And then I bought another one and I broke it. And then I bought other different rods from that point. But here we are back to the gotcha because I bought this one a long time ago and it came broken and we returned it, never got a new one. So now here I have another one, and it's already basically tied up. I'm going to raise this indicator here to where that's a little closer to the surface. I may have to change my fly, but we'll start out with this fairy bee pattern just because it's got some good color to it, and it's also a nice little dark thing for them to go for in the water. It's kind of dirty and stuff. Alright, here we go. Can't tell you what's gonna happen today, but that was pretty poor cast, if you ask me. Oh yeah, that wind, loving me right now. I can't tell if that's my fly just sitting on the surface. It is. This thing in close quarters is no fun. I think I may change that fly up to something else that's a little more bright. The wind's coming from over there now. What do you say we flip it over this way towards us on the shoreline? Like right out in front of us. What's the chances? Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a good fish. In the net. Way to go. Thanks, little buddy. Off the hook because we're barbless there. That's like a little 10-inch rainbow. Real pretty. Let's try that again. Back over by the shoreline. That's kind of a poor cast. Kind of another poor cast. I think I need a heavier main line on this rod to make this function properly. Oh, I keep forgetting. You can't quite see that indicator. Maybe I should put a bigger one on. So there's a little secret to stock trout. They love anything that's shiny, kind of red. They'll practically eat almost anything that kind of you throw in front of them to an extent, as long as you throw it in the right place. So situation with this place, as I'm tying this on, that's why I'm looking down, is that they're right by the shore because the water's deeper out there and full of catfish. So here we have our little kind of chrome and red blood midge. I just tied it up the other day, a couple of these, just for the purpose of trying to hunt stock trout with it. So let's go ahead and, oh, that's right, I was going to change that indicator. I was going to say we're going to go ahead and cast right back over there, but I want to put a bigger indicator on too. So we'll work on that first. Okay, now we got the big indicator on there. Those two little split shots and the chrome and red blood midge. Both of those are about 15 inches below that big indicator. And I'm gonna kind of work it here in front of me. Go back over that way. There's really no room for a cast here. Let's see if we can get one to hit that. Basically just kind of sit and wait, but it's not too far out from the shore, maybe like 8 feet. But I'm working around stuff with it. Working around structure is what I'm doing. If any luck, we'll get one. The wind is starting to cooperate with us. So, at this current situation, I'm just holding the rod, watching the indicator that's over there, hoping that there's a passerby that's gonna want it. If not, I give it a little movement. Fish. Let's just go cast over there. It's a sign. It's gonna hit him right on the head. Come on, little buddies. Chances are when they normally jump like that, they don't stay in that area. They typically swim out of it, moving along with life. A little double off the hook. That's like a 8 or 9 inch. Pretty sure that was the one that jumped over there. We may have to put a different fly on or something. This one's working, but it's just too slow. That attracted him. We need some more flash, more gimmick going on. Changed up to the big black bugger, and that wind is forever there, never leaving the situation. You put that out there like that, and then you kind of give it nice little pulls, just kind of moving it. Hopes that something spots it and they chase it. There we go. There we go. Nothing huge by any means, but feisty. Give me my fly back. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Great fish there with that little gold light rod. Come on, Dinky. Swim out. Let's try that again. Oh. There we go. Another nice one. Make sure we're far enough out from underneath the tree. And then we'll just get the little fishy in here. Just like so. And that'll be the end of the day there with this nice little fish. Come on. Stop spinning, little buddy. Off the hook. And there it is. Beautiful little 10 or 11 inch rainbow. There, little buddy. Well, thank you guys for watching, liking and subscribing. Maybe I'll catch you on the next one with this rod. It's extremely long. And I'm just working shoreline because the lake's too deep out there further out. There we go. Just working the shoreline. That's where they're at. Off the fly. Get this little devil out of here. Later, little buddy. And just flip it back over there like that, I guess. Oh, that was right off the bat. There we go. There's another one. Oh, it says it's deep here. It just dove straight down. Come here, little buddy. In the net. Off the hook. Later. Terminator. Well, as always, as soon as you turn it off, one bites. Another nice one. Woo. Shaking it. Come on, little buddy. Give me my fly back. There we go. Off the hook. Another beauty. Later, friend. Well, that's how the day goes. Long cast into the wind. Forecast, I should say, because just mildly need a stiffer line to cast into the wind. There we go. Oh. Mildly stiffer lines help to cast into the wind, or otherwise you're just relying on weight of indicators and flies and weights to get you where you need to go. And, oh, off the hook on that one. But yeah, stiffer lines can get you to cast into the wind better, but it's not always good. And the net. Oh, what a beauty. Off the hook. Come on, little buddy. You can swim right on out. Go for it. Now you want to hang out? Get on out of here. Got my fly all flipped upside down. On and off. Later, buddy. Hooked in the net now. There we go. Another nice one. Oh, come on, you're already off. Let go. Another nice rainbow. Get out of here, feisty friend. They're real timid. Real timid. These fish are. Some of them don't want you to hook them. Either that or they're just playing with the tip on it. Just playing with the tip of the tail. Not the real part, but the hook. Oh, off the hook. Didn't even need to get that one in the net. 6-inch. We're getting the little ones now. And I mean, this might be the littlest fish all day, right there. Kind of strange shaped. Another one lost off. There we go. In the net. Oh, and it wants to shake. Do a bunch of things. Come on, buddy. Calm down. Give me my fly back. Off the fly. That's another beauty in the net there. Oh yeah. Come on, swim on out. Later, friend. I guess a fishing rod is very similar to a weapon, as in being an extension of your body. I'm moving my rod, that's moving that, just like I want it to. Extension of my body. Oh, missed it. That was fish. But yeah, I just like to use my rods as an extension of my body like you would a weapon in any kind of situation, except for this is just fishing. So, but fishing, I don't know. Some people might just be really good at it. There we go. Oh, look at that. Woo! Others, it's just luck. Others, it's just luck. Oh boy, you're not having good luck. He took it in like 6 different directions here. Well, that's it today. Look at that beauty shining in the light next to the gopher. Later, little buddy. Thank you again for watching, liking, subscribing. Some of you even like to share my content, but it's great stuff. Thank you guys. It's been helping my channel grow dramatically. Each and every one of you support, I really appreciate it. Thank you.